How you doing? Not going to keep you long today at all. We're going to make a really simple, quick, easy, tasty pasta. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So super easy, this one. I've got about 3 cups of pasta there. I'm using a penne. You can use any pasta that you choose. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of tomato, 1 cup of bell peppers. About a tablespoon, maybe a bit more actually, of olives. I'm using a Kalamata olive, taking the stones out. It's probably about 8 olives there, but you know, adjust as you like. Tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons chili flakes. If you don't have chili flakes, you could use chili sauce or some cayenne pepper or chili powder. Let's get moving. So above medium heat, pretty much all the way here. I'm using olive oil and I've got about 3 tablespoons. Change the oil if you want. In goes the 1 cup of onion. We can get our olives in now and our garlic. Very simply, throw this around in the pan for about 4 minutes. Okay, let's chop in the chili flakes or chili powder, whatever you want, in there. Let's add some salt. Let's add some black pepper. Let's go with that 1 cup tomato and go for another 4 minutes. Bell peppers, just 2 minutes. And then finally, let's get our cooked pasta in. Like I say, I'm using penne. Go for anything else you want. 3 to 4 minutes, tossing it around. Job done. You've got a really simple, beautiful pasta. Nice and easy, nothing to it, delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.